Body sign and symptoms, itching. Itching. The three main causes of itching are generally wind, dampness, or heat. These three pathogenic factors cause intense itching. Blood deficiency also may cause itching, which would be less intense than the three above mentioned pathogenic factors. Itching caused by wind is very intense, and it is occurs either in different parts of the body, moving from one place to another, or in the whole body. The itching due to wind may be accompanied by rash, but it is also may occur without any external skin sign. Itching caused by wind also may be accompanied by dry skin because wind itself has a drying effect. In itching caused by wind, the patient has an irresistible desire to scratch. The skin may break and bleed, but it heals soon after scratching. Itching caused by dampness is more localized, usually occurring only in specific places such as the axilla, or the genital region of the hands or feet. It is accompanied by the appearance of vesicles and the skin breaks after scratching, oozing a fluid that may be white or yellow according to whether dampness is associated with cold or heat. Itching caused by damp heat is more intense, and it's characterized by appearance of yellow vesicle or pustules. In severe chronic cases, the pustules may fester and ooze pus and blood. Itching caused by heat is usually accompanied by a red rash that may occur either locally in the whole body. Itching caused by blood deficiency is less intense. The skin is dry and scaly, and the itching is worse at night. Itching caused by toxic heat is very intense and is accompanied by the appearance of furuncles or festering ulcers which ooze pus and blood. Toxic heat in the skin is often a complication of chronic eczema when the skin becomes infected. Under certain circumstances, itching can be a normal manifestation that occurs during the healing of wounds or ulcers. Itching. Wind intense generalized itching. Dampness localized itching, damp skin. Blood heat, itching with a red rash. Blood deficiency, mild generalized itching with dry skin. Toxic heat, intense itching with pustules. Itching during healing of wounds or ulcer is normal. Wind in the skin. Intense itching in the whole body or moving from place to place, more in upper body, unbearable desire to scratch dry skin. So acupuncture, triple varnish 6, large intestine 11, liver 3, and gallbladder 31. Dampness in the skin. Localized itching, often in the lower part of the body, vesicles on the skin, oozing of fluid. Acupuncture, REN 12, REN 9, spleen 9, REN 5, and bladder 22. Damp heat in the skin. Localized itching, yellow vesicles oozing a yellow fluid or red papules or pustules, oozing blood in the scratching, more in the lower part of the body. So acupuncture to REN 12, REN 9, spleen 9, REN 5, bladder 22, and large intestine 11. Blood heat. Generalized itching, red rash, red papules, feeling agitated, and thirst. So acupuncture, large intestine 11, and spleen 10. Blood deficiency. Mild generalized itching, dry skin, scaly skin with white scales, dry hair, possibly pale wheals. Acupuncture, liver 8, stomach 36, Spleen 6, RAN 4. Toxic heat. Localized or generalized intense itching, pustule, oozing, pus, and blood, festering skin, fever. This kind of itching is seen in chronic eczema when the skin becomes infected. So, clinical note, to treat itching with acupuncture, apart from using points that is expel wind, triple Warner 6, and gallbladder 31. Use points on the heart channel. Thank you for your attention.